Hi there, it's Dev Bilal. So today we are going to start our home page series in which we are going to learn how to make changes in the home page section, like how to make changes here, how to make these titles, how to change these images and keyword location search, how to edit this home page and these section, etc. So one by one we will cover them in our home page series. This is our video one. Okay, let's start. First of all, how we can change this text on our website. First of all, you need to go to setting and design setting. Here you will see a home page tab, and in the home page tab you will find hero title text. This is the text that is displaying there. I want to change the text to something else. Let's change this text as well. Let's save changes. Refresh the page. The text is changed. Okay, how to edit the size and how to change the width. First of all, the size of this text is here. We can change the size. We can make it light or normal or bold. Its alignment in center, and this is the width. I want to use 100% width, and for this text I want to use normal, and the size is 38. Refresh the page. Okay, so now it is looking good. Now I want to change the image. So in order to change the image, you need to go to hero background image section. Here replace image, you need to select an image of 1800 width and 600 height. So you can download it from Google or from other sources that you like. I will select this image. Back to all media. Now select the image. The image is here. We can adjust the top padding and bottom padding as well. So I usually put the padding 110 and 80 here, and the overlay color should be 3. Save changes. Refresh. Okay, the image is here. Okay, what is the overlay color? Overlay color is the blackish overlay. Like if I make it 9, it will, and control S, I will save changes and refresh the page. Here it is displaying the image in black shadow, but I will use it 3. And top spacing I will make it normal and 50 in order to get good pixels. Control S, save changes. Refresh the page. Now the image is changed. In the next video we will learn how we can make changes in these text labels, how we can change this text, how we can make here top, sub and sub categories plus location search, how we can connect Google Map API key. It will be the video 2 of our homepage series. If you want to get help with your Brilliant Directories website, you can let us know. We are here to help. Bye bye.